2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.